So you may share your screen with us. Hey, I can see your video.
Lindsay, can you please change the page? Hello, Professor, and hello, class. My name is Simba, and our group today is going to answer to the questions. Lindsay, can you please change the page?
So we didn't see your PPT file. Did you share your screen with us? Because I didn't see any PPT. Okay.
Hello, Professor, and hello, class. My name is Simba, and our group today is going to answer to the questions. Wendy, can you please change the page? I'm going to answer to the question, what is e-commerce, and the future trends of e-commerce. The next page. So e-commerce is about the e-commerce refers to any form of business transaction conducted online. It allows companies and individuals to buy or sell goods and services over the internet. So let's talk about the future trends of e-commerce. Went to the next page. The e-commerce industry saw major traction in 2020. Technology innovation, easy scalability, increased internet penetration, and changed habits due to the COVID-19. So customers want e-commerce to be as convenient as possible. Next page. So we're going to talk about the future trends of e-commerce. So the first one is going to be social media and influencer marketing. So it's about it's because 74% of consumers trust influencers while making buying decisions. So the next second one, voice search. Voice search, 27% of the people using voice search on mobile. So brands must ensure their e-commerce site is speech query friendly. The next thing is going to be visual search. Sometimes it's very hard to describe the product, so visual search would make everything much easier. The next thing is going to be video engagement. It's about showing goods and services with details, and it has a compelling influence on path to purchase. The next thing is going to be virtual consultation. It's about offering human interaction and the ability to ask and answer questions in real time. Next, I'm going to pass the presentation to Jessica.
Next, I'll be talking about topic 3, types of e-commerce platform. First, we need to know what is an e-commerce platform. So e-commerce platform is a software that enables the commercial process of buying and selling over the internet. It needs a search feature that lets customers find a specific product, a cart feature that lets them manage their order, and a payment feature. And what are the types of e-commerce? First is SaaS, software as a service platform. And then is PaaS, platform as a service platform, and on-premises platform. So first is SaaS. It is a cloud-based software delivered model, a way of delivering application as a service over the internet. Cloud providers can develop and maintain cloud application software, provide automatic software updates, and deliver softwares to customer on a pay-as-you-go basis over the internet. Popular example of SaaS e-commerce providers are Shopify, BigCommerce, and Illusion. And PaaS is a cloud computing service that provides computing platform and solution service. It is something between typical share hosting and SaaS. There are some examples such as AWS, Elastic, Beanstalk, Microsoft, and Google. The on-premises platform is a platform for e-commerce located within the premises of the company providing the goods or service. Its solutions are hosted locally by retailers and managed by their IT staff, rather than being built by another vendor and accessed through the cloud. For the next question, why and how e-commerce can help startup companies? E-commerce has many advantages. First of all, its financial cost is lower. E-commerce can reduce the larger costs that brick-and-mortar stores can incur. Second, the platform is always available. Customers don't have to consider the time open and close the store. There is no restriction on the office location as long as there is an internet connection. It can handle the operation of the e-commerce platform. Third, e-commerce can analyze the sales situation accurately. Through more accurate sale analysis, you can understand data that is difficult to quantify in physical stores. Also, it can help understand product expensibility, looking at the prices and other factors of similar product on the platform will help companies determine whether the product is popular with the public. Last, it can effectively promote and expose brand. By introducing product or service through a blog or using social networking sites is an effective way to drive content marketing. Attracting media attention is also an effective way to increase sales in a digital economy. Therefore, the above benefit can effectively help startup companies.
Okay, what is online to offline e-commerce? O2O stands for online to offline commerce, and O2O sets up an online shop, e-shop for multiple devices like smartphone, laptop, desktop, and tablet. And it's also more faster buying process, also the cost reduction. Okay, next please. Not just that, it helps promote my business to community of people who needs information at their fingertips, and you can also target your audience on social media. Okay, next page. E-commerce experience, self-collect and delivery. You don't have to be the one who delivering the products. O2O can help you arrange that every month. Okay, next slide. Every month you could have complete set of analysis and how my customers interact in my products. Okay, here's the benefits from O2O commerce platform. Here goes analysis of customer spending behavior and dedicated e-shop exclusive branding, rebate system such as gift and redemptions, effective advertisement and promotions. And okay, next slide. What is AWS? AWS stands for Amazon Web Service, and Amazon Web Services. AWS is Amazon Cloud Computing Platform, providing organizations with tools like compute power database storage, and content delivery services, and government agencies, education institutions, and non-profit and private organizations, all with AWS. Okay, next slide. AWS comprised with 24 product categories like network development tools and security and governance. They have a specific services like Amazon EC2 for virtual computing and Amazon Route 52 for scalable domain name services, scalable domain name system, and AWS Amplify for building apps. Next one. AWS even has services for gaming, messaging, and virtual reality, and virtual general business productivity. And basically, AWS has something for almost everybody, and each service can be figured basically on users' particular needs. Thank you. Next one.
So now I'm going to talk about how to apply Amazon Reconnection for your business. First, I'm going to talk about introduction. Amazon Reconnection is make it easy to add image, video analyze to your application. You just provide an image or video to the Amazon Reconnection API, and the service can identify object, people, text, scan, and activities. It just detects any appropriate content as well. Amazon Reconnection have 8 functions. First, content moderate. Second, fast compare and search. Third, fast detection and analysis. Fourth, and detection. Fifth, custom label. 7, tag detection. And final, celebrity recognition. And video segment detect. It's flat or and predict state, color bar, and such. Personal protection equipment PPE detection automatically detect PPE such as helmet, glove. It's like detection such as helmet, glove, and mask for protect our image. Next page. So how it apply for the business? While counter vision can be crucial and to industrial maintenance, manufacturer, logistics, and customer application. Its adoption is limited by the manual creation and training dataset. The creation of label picture to an industrial context is mainly done manually, which create limit recognition capability, does not scout and result in labor cost and delay value. So how is for your business? First of all, as we know, education is one of the most important things. Without education, we cannot build anything to our careers. So my recommend is, first of all, you need to study about Amazon Web Service, and then after you get educated from Amazon Web Service, you can create your own media and entertainment for your business. After create your own media and entertainment, you can get advertisement from your business product, and finally you can get a financial income for your page. So for my personal conclusion, Amazon Web Service is one of the elastic compute cloud offer the broadcasting the device compute platform with over 500 instance and choice of the latest processor, storage, networking, operating system, and a chat model to help you to the best of your business. So I would recommend all of you to start using Amazon Web Service to start up your own business. That's also my part.
So, okay, now I'm gonna explain how to start e-commerce business. I put 3 points on it. First, we need to know our market. Second, make sure the payment system. And then the third one is need to cover it. First, why we need to know our market? Because learning the local culture before developing a market is also very important. With this insight, you'll be able to use the right methods to acquire customers, not the other way around. Understanding the local market climate as well as the prevailing norms is really needed according to Lugom's sketch, because new market can be closed if the local culture is not respected. And then second, make sure the payment system. One of the most common mistakes business make when going global is failing to investigate taxes and fees in the markets they enter. So we have to be really careful in this matter. Understand the tax regulation according to the main legal entity in your company. The last one is need to be covered. Why? Because it should be emphasize when going global, you don't have to everything by yourself. Don't be afraid to seek out a marketing, sales, fulfillment, and distribution partner who knows the local market and can help grow our business there. So this is true even for large capacity companies which have many teams though. So working with local partners will actually help us understand each of the key components such as marketing, sales or e-commerce, fulfillment and support. Next. So e-commerce business that we want to be in, for me, by myself, in my opinion, I would choose Shopee. Shopee is an example of e-commerce like all around the world that we can easily access via our smartphone. Shopee is also present in the form of website and applications that provide a variety of products ranging from home needs, technology, automotive, and so on. Based on data from Public for Business Research respondents, Shopee is the e-commerce platform they are most interested in. Next.
Lastly, I'm going to introduce what are the roles of MarTech in driving e-commerce business performance. MarTech is a word that combines marketing and technology. When companies use data technology tools to analyze the market, summarize strategy, formulate marketing plans, and check results through data, they all belong to the category of marketing technology. MarTech scored into 6 fields, including advertising and promotion, content and user experience, community and customer relationships, business and sales, data and management. MarTech helps companies evaluate business-suitable advertising channels from the keyword advertisement of the search engine, using the analysis tool to find the best exposure pipeline. With the data analysis tool, MarTech finds out the topics of the company's target guest edition, such as SEO articles, community stickers, EDM newspapers, etc., and analyze the browsing behavior at the time of reading in order to improve the user experience. The label key of the MarTech AI tool can help the e-commerce website to increase the number of browsing. After the customer clicks on the label in the website, you can leave the record. The AI tool can automatically generate a customized live promotion message. Therefore, it could increase the order of potential customers as well as total orders. That is the end of our presentation. Thank you for your attention.
Okay. Okay, so thanks for the presentation for group number 7. So all the presentations we have did for today. So you guys did a very good job. Okay, so we have 10 topics before the midterms. So I hope you guys realize all the topics for these 10 topics. So okay, so since for the class B, so you are not familiar with the topic for the term, but maybe I will have some notification after our midterm. Okay, so for the class after our midterm, I will have the topic for Martech. So in Chinese, we call 科技行销. So even I have some material before our midterm. So basically, I will have start a new section for Martech, especially for our e-commerce. And also, I will teach you some programming language like Python. So you guys can have the tools to analyze the data from e-commerce. Okay, so that's all for our class for today's presentation for midterm. Okay, so any questions? Yes?
老师，我邀他们到那个群组里面了。
那个 Line 的群组吗？
对对对。
好 ，Okay, that's great. So we have some communication with our Line group, so it's easy for you guys to have some communications. So also don't forget to join our Facebook group. So all our materials about our class I will put in our Facebook group. So don't forget to join our Facebook group. Okay. So that's all for today's course. So see you guys next week. 因为我礼拜六 ，OK， 因为老师礼拜六的时候，我的一个课程同学有确诊，所以说我们今天呢就是线上的课程。OK，so last Saturday, one of my class, one of my students get COVID-19. So I have to stay home for 10 days. Okay, so hope I will getting better. Okay, so I can see you guys next week. 好，我们下礼拜。
老师
，yes。
那个 report 可以补交吗？就是不小心迟交了。
迟交了，好 ，OK， 等一下我把那个期限往后延，好不好？啊，那一样那个 Class B 啊，
谢谢老师。
好，没有不客气。那Class B 的哈同学不用担心，你们的成绩跟 Class A 分开计算 ，so you just compete with your classmate in Class B， 好不好？啊，不用担心。那至于期中考之前的内容的话，maybe so you have some report for maybe so maybe we can discuss next week 至于Class B 你们要交什么报告，大概下礼拜我们再讨论，好不好？那老师不会为难你们我想说这个，因为你们好像也好几周都没有上了哈。那是刚好已经是突发的事情。好 ，OK， so that's all for today's. So see you guys next week. Okay.
Get well soon, teacher.
Okay. Any question? Okay. It's okay. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Ciao.